Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Welcome to Slow English Story. Are you ready to hear my story? Let's start. Mark. We are in London.
Yes, Emma, we are finally here.
I am so excited.
Me too. London is so big.
Where do we go first?
I want to see Big Ben.
Oh, yes, Big Ben. That is a great idea.
Okay, let me look at the map. I have the map here.
Good. Can you find Big Ben?
I am looking.
Is it far from here?
I think it is. This way.
You think?
Okay, I am not sure.
Mark, the map is upside down.
Oh no, you are right.
Here, let me help you. Mark, this street looks different.
Yes, it is very small.
I don't see any big buildings.
I think we turned the wrong way.
Are we lost?
I think maybe yes.
Oh no.
Don't worry, Emma.
Okay, let's stay calm.
We can ask someone for help.
Excuse me, can you help us?
Of course. What do you need?
We are looking for Big Ben.
Big Ben. Yes, I can help you.
Thank you so much.
You need to go straight, then turn left.
Straight. And then left. Okay.
Yes, you will see the river. Then Big Ben is there.
The river, I understand.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Enjoy London.
Mark, look. The river.
Yes, that is the Thames.
It is beautiful.
It is very wide.
The woman was right.
Yes, she was very helpful.
I like London people. They are kind.
Me too. Okay, look over there.
Where?
There, do you see it?
Oh my. Is that Big Ben?
Yes, that is Big Ben.
It is so tall.
And so beautiful.
I cannot believe it.
We found it, Emma.
Yes, we found it.
Even with a wrong map.
Yes, even with a wrong map.
We did it together.
Let's take a photo here.
Good idea.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Did you get a good photo?
Yes, look. We look happy.
We are happy.
This is a good memory.
Yes, a very good memory.
I will never forget today.
Me too, Emma. Me too.
I am a little tired now.
Me too. But it was a good day.
Yes, a very good day.
We got lost,
We did,
but we found the way.
because we asked for help.
Yes, it is okay to ask for help.
That is right. Always ask.
And always stay calm.
Good advice, Mark.
Haha. Thank you, Emma. Okay, it is time to go back.
Yes, I am hungry.
Me too. Very hungry.
Where is the train station?
I think it is. That way.
You think?
Yes, I think.
Mark, are we lost again?
Maybe a little.
Okay, I will ask someone.
Good idea, Emma. Good idea.
We found the station,
Yes, finally.
and now we have food.
This is perfect.
Look at our photo again.
Haha, we look so happy.
It was a great day,
Yes, London is amazing,
even when you get lost.
especially when you get lost.
Ha! Yes, I agree.
Same time next year?
Absolutely, Mark. Absolutely. Thank you for watching this story with me today. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.